Alright guys, today diesel eater Arduino thermostat, because in this, you don't have a thermostat. What's up, gang? Today we're doing a thermostat for a diesel eater, and this is actually something you want to see because it's going to be really interesting. Don't forget, this is actually right now, I'll show you, and we're using an Arduino to do a thermostat for a diesel eater. Yes, you want to see that. All right, guys. So that's the little setup right now, just to show you around. Lithium battery right there, little cable all around. Normally it's on the bench downstairs, but now that's what it is. So that's the command for the diesel eater, which I did extend in my car to actually leave it. I'm sleeping in my car, and the Forester has been converted as a van life, and that's the Arduino right now we have here. This is the thermostat, and this is actually the screen. And this is actually right now the power supply and the two relay. We're not gonna need two, we're gonna need only one, because that button here, there's a double check what type of diesel heater you have, but mine has only one button. So you hold down the button to open, and you hold down the button 3 seconds to close it. So that's what it is right now. Right now, so far, I set it up for 21 degrees, and the temperature right now is 24. And just to show you around, the cable is actually the extension for the diesel heater. I'll show you also how it's been set up on the ground with the car. So I have a little plastic over there, plus the piping, and this is an opening for an old project. You could actually see down. But just to show you around, and let's continue to the main event today. And I just wanted to show you how it's been installed and how it's been placed in the car. Let's continue. And diesel heater is right here. So right there. And right now what's going to happen, getting cold over there. What we're going to do, basically that thing is actually when I ask more than this, it will start the heater. So for an example, right now it's 24, but I want to be in the house or in the van more than 30 degrees, for an example. There's the 3 buttons. This is going to be finished in a beautiful 3D print, and this is actually what's going to happen. All right, so the button right there, we're going to increase up, up, up. I could leave it on, and right now 25. So there's a 4 degree difference. And over there, you need to leave yourself about 5 minutes. It's 4.5 minutes to do the process of the opening before that thing's gonna go to 29. It's not gonna go to 29 because it's outside. So we're clear it's gonna run. We still could keep that thing here. Right now it's at to the max, but that's no problems because I could actually still put it to the minimum. All right, that's no problem. I could leave it to the minimum, and when it's gonna blow, it's gonna blow to the minimum. And if, let's say, it's really cold and I wanna exactly put the heat right up, straight up, hard right now, well, I'm just gonna boost it, but otherwise than that, that's how it is. So right now, set it up for 29, 25 right now. Arduino is actually managing some things, so we're working with C++. My father did all this, and it's a beautiful, beautiful chart with couple of pages of translation of C+ and everything. So for the Arduino, kind of cool. And yeah, that thing is actually doing its thing up to the process will be start. Fast forward right now. Suki, how you doing? So right now it's starting. So it's done the starting process, so it's still vaping. And when it's gonna go to the full blown and the regular temperature, it's gonna stabilize, like the fan and everything is gonna be stable. So basically it's gonna run up to a certain point, then after it's gonna come down, and that thing is gonna be yeah, it's working so far. You could hear it. It's going harder and harder and harder. And as you can see, it's not smoking anymore. That means it's going up. And as soon as that process will be finished, you got stat. No, not on the thermostat, sorry. On the control, you're gonna have the full information of it's been open. All right, guys. So the first reason why I did bring my controller inside of my truck is actually because I thought that little 31 degrees right there was actually the thermostat, but it's not. It's just to give you the typically house temperature. However, it's not even like accurate. So this is right now in the house. We've seen it before at 24 degrees and it's showing 31 degrees. So clearly don't take that for granted, and it's not a thermostat, unfortunately. Now the thing is, this is actually the reason why we're creating that. Basically is actually to have a real thermostat like Webasto and Espar system. So we did ask, as you can see, the max right now for the outside, and it's clicking pretty intense. Now let's go back to this thing right now. And right now it's getting, let's say, okay temperature, and that thing, whatever, if it's at the max or not, this thing, it's getting hot right now. So let's bring down the temperature. So normally it should stop at 20. Stop eating. So I'm just gonna bring it down because normally we should have a timer of 5 minutes. We didn't increase that, but basically we need a timer right now. That's the only thing we need. And because right now, let's say I could reach, let's say if I would put it at 23, it would restart again. So I need a 5 minutes temper so that thing could be fully closed when I reach the temperature. So let's say right now ask 19. So 19 for an example, that thing is closing. Temperature is getting so hot right now in the van. So yeah, that's what it is. Bring down that thing and we'll do this thing. Come back in a couple of minutes. The great thing with mine is actually a Bluetooth, and I'm not losing this opportunity to close down or open manually the system. And we're back for square one. So basically, when it's closed, the hour comes back, and on here, the thermostat, I have 19 degrees. I asked. The process of 5 minutes is done. Now let's see. It's getting chilly at 24. It's not really chilly, but let's say it's getting chilly, and I'm doing that again. Hold down. Let's say I want, like, my girlfriend, she's freezing. 26. On at 29. And boom, we're starting the process. I hope you did like this small episode. Everything is done by my father right here. Still in process for finding Arduino, tweaking a couple of things. He's the engineer behind that. Let me know what you think in the bottom. If you would like to have one, that would be nice. Alright guys, I hope you like this episode. If you really do, just please subscribe to my Patreon. It's brand new right now, and I want to leave you some straight comments directly to you, and also I'm gonna give you a little gift and heads up to the secret spot I've been and GPS coordinate, little pictures directly to you guys specifically. Thank you for watching Overland Subaru International. My name is Sebastian again. If you want to watch other videos, right there, right there, right there. And if you want to subscribe, right there. Take care, guys. See ya.